Okay, this is, I believe, number 15. Let's talk about this one here just a second. Again, this is a solution a student has sent to me. I'm just going to make sure I correct this along the way. So, implies, first of all, P implies Q. Remember, in order for this to be true, a true statement has to give you a true outcome. So this first one is indeed true. The second one, however, the true statement gives me a false one. So this one's suggesting true. If the first one's true, it implies true again. Or implies that the second one's false. That's not the case. So this one has to be a false. Now, with these truth statements, if the initial statement is false, you don't really have to read any further. It's going to be true. So if it's implied, a false statement is always going to get you true. A false hypothesis will always get you a true. Okay, looking at this next column. Again, that little squiggly means not P. So this is supposed to be the opposite answers of what we have as P. So T gives me false. Truth gives me false. Truth gives me false. Good. False gives me true. Yep. False gives me this one needs to be true. Now let's continue to piece these together, because now we're saying not P, so this one, or, again, that V means or, Q. So I'm just looking at this column and the Q column. So I'm just looking at these two columns, column 2 and 4. So if it's or, if either of them are true, I'm going to put true. So this one's true, so it's definitely going to be true. This one's false, and this one's false, so it's false. This one's true and true, true. And this one's false, but this one's true. So this one should be true as well. So far, so good. Now I'm looking at the third and fourth column. This is the third column, implying this is the fourth column. Remember, let's start with the easy ones. If this first part, P implies Q, if that's false, I'm going to have true over here. So let's say false. That would be just this one. This one's going to have to be true. Now, the other one, if it's true, I have to have a true to make it true. So true and true. True it is. True and true. True it is. True and true. True it is. Awesome. So this should be my answer for that one. I'm betting this is one of those questions that's going to ask now if it's a tautology. A tautology is one that it does not matter the truth or false of any of these statements. In the end, they all become true. And so this one is a yes. Check that one out. This is one of the more difficult questions. I believe there's not a question on the quiz that's quite this involved. But can you put these basic truth table concepts together? You will see some questions like that. Give it a shot. Talk to you later.